All of our machines are of a premium build quality. It features a fully stainless steel design, deep-drawn vacuum chambers with round corners for optimal hygiene, and robust though easily removable wireless seal bars. Every vacuum pack machine comes with its own specially designed insert plates. Insert plates are important for the right positioning of the product and to reduce the length of the vacuum cycle. Installation is just a matter of plug and pack. All models are equipped with a digital interface and offer maintenance functions. The pump conditioning program is easily activated by pressing the button and closing the lid. The oil inside the pump will be cleaned. The duration of the program is 15 minutes and it's advised to be used at least once a week. This range makes it possible to professionally vacuum pack all your products for an attractive price.